Like a stone thrown in the water, our lives are cast away. The hours drifting onward, our lives will end this way. But before fate has condemned you, you must leave with no regrets. A life fulfilled in your own mind, no fears, no doubts, no debts. One life you have been given, into the world is born a man. So make the most of living, do the best you can. While the breath of life is in you, one thing you can't forget, a life you have been given, a challenge yet unmet. So take that challenge onward, try, and even though fate might overtake you, an attempt was made, you know. One life you have been given, into the world is born a man. So make the most of living, do the best you can. But before that stone is cast away into the waters of your fate, no change can be made upon your life, well then it is too late. So you see why I tell you your life must be fulfilled in every way. Your life might end at any hour, the breath of life is blown away. One life you have been given,